How to buy METAV, the Metaverse token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token is by going to the screener and find the token called Metaverse. After you find it, as you can see, make sure this token is came under Solana network. Now just copy this token as you can see, and now after that go to Phantom Wallet because this is the best choice to buy this kind of token that came under the Solana network. Now after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now here, just paste the token as you can see to find the right one. Now just click on it and enter how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now from here, select the provider, as you can see, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information, and after that click on swap and they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. Now this is how to buy the Metaverse token. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.